Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster trap. First, gather your materials, including galvanized wire mesh, a sturdy frame material, and strong rope. Next, begin by cutting your mesh panels to size, ensuring they will form a secure and effective trap body. Remember to plan for both an entrance and an escape vent for smaller lobsters. Now, let's assemble the main body. Cut your wire mesh into panels, typically around 36 by 24 inches, for the sides and top. Use hog rings or heavy-duty zip ties to securely fasten these panels together, forming a rectangular or square chamber. Double-check all connections to ensure the trap can withstand strong currents and the weight of lobsters. Next, focus on the entrance and escape vents. Create a funnel-shaped entrance that allows lobsters to easily enter, but makes it difficult for them to exit. Install at least 2 escape vents, each 2½ inches wide, to allow undersized lobsters to escape, promoting sustainable fishing practices. Don't forget to secure a bait bag or holder inside the trap. For the final steps, add sufficient weight, like concrete blocks, to ensure your trap sinks and stays put on the ocean floor. Attach a sturdy rope to your trap and connect it to a clearly marked buoy for easy identification and retrieval. Remember to check local regulations regarding trap size and deployment. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.